हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू एडू सेंटर। दिस इज मोहम्मद, योर फेवरेट टीचर। आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट और मेरे साथ में स्टैंडर्ड 8 के बच्चे। सो गाइस, आर यू ऑल एक्साइटेड? आर यू ऑल एक्साइटेड? तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। मैं जल्दी से इन लोगों को मटेरियल दे देता हूँ, उसके बाद में देखते हैं क्या होता है। ये तो दोस्तों, यहाँ पे बच्चे लोगों ने एक्सपेरिमेंट चालू कर दिए और कुछ बच्चों का एक्सपेरिमेंट हो गया है। देखते हैं किनका किनका कैसा एक्सपेरिमेंट हुआ है। हेलो बच्चों। हेलो। क्या बनाया है आप लोगों ने? इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग। दिखाइए मुझे। तो आप मुझे एक्सप्लेन करो किस तरीके से आपने ये एक्सपेरिमेंट बनाया है और क्या कहाँ पे इसका यूज होता है।
We have used two rods, that is one is stainless and one is copper. Then we have connected these two wires with each other and then connected with battery, and you can see that it is working. And this process is used in in statues, in decoration and coating of statues, jewelries, cheap materials, batteries and all.
तो दोस्तों, यहाँ पे मेरे साथ में समीना एंड टीम। देखते हैं इन लोगों ने क्या बनाया है। तो मुझे एक्सप्लेन करो क्या बनाया है आप लोगों ने। शो मी आसमा, व्हाट यू हैव मेड।
This is a small model of a human ear. This is the outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. If we pass the sound through through the outer ear, it will go here. It is here. There are three parts: hammer, anvil and stirrup. So the sound will pass through this, and the water will vibrate in the inner ear.
तो दोस्तों, 8 स्टैंडर्ड की ये है हमारी बॉयज की टीम। देखते हैं इन लोगों ने क्या बनाया है। बोलिए दोस्तों, क्या बनाया है आप लोगों ने? तो शब्बीर बताओ, क्या बनाया आपने और किस तरीके से काम करता है?
हमने ये DIY प्रोजेक्टर बनाया है। ये कॉन्वेक्स लेंस लगाया है ताकि उसका मिरर आए, और ये ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट है। इस पर हम क्या प्रोजेक्ट करना है वो यहाँ लगता है, और ये टॉर्च है ताकि ये लाइट आती है और ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट पर लगती है, और जो यहाँ भी प्रोजेक्ट करना चाहता है वो यहाँ आता है, यहाँ लिखने का है। तो हमने R लिखा है फॉर an example, and then the light goes on the transparent sheet, and through the help of convex lens the mirror the image forms on the screen, transparent sheet on plain screen. And
So Samina, tell me what you have made.
Today we have made a model of conductor and insulator. Conductor. So what is conductor? Conductor is the metal which allow electricity to pass through them is known as conductor. And insulator. What is insulator? Insulator is the metal which do not allow electricity to pass through them is known as insulator. Conductor. So here we have an example of conductor. This is a pen made up of a metal. So when we will keep our pen over here, this bulb will work because it's a conductor. Second, insulator. This pencil. Pencil is made up of wood. So when we will keep up our pencil over here, the bulb will not work because pencil is not a good conductor of electricity. Thank you.
So Olivia, which activity you did today?
This activity is called angle of incidence and angle of reflection.
How it works?
In this activity, the light will pass from the torch and it will hit on the mirror and reflect on the foam.
And how can you say that both the angles are equal? Please show it practically.
The light is coming from there and hitting the opposite.
This is a mirror. It's a plain mirror. Okay. And it is again reflecting back to the wall, exactly over the line which you have drawn.
Yes.
Okay. So Mohammed, what you have made today?
So I have made organized today.
What is it? How does it work?
It contains three mirrors and the colorful balls. When we add these colorful balls in the between of the mirrors, it reflects in regular reflections. It makes a beautiful pattern.
On which principle it works?
The grinding scope works on the principle of the reflection.
So Asma, tell me what project you have made?
So our model is a formation of day and night.
How does it work?
Yeah. This is sun, this is earth, and this is moon. So when the earth side faces the sun is having day, and the back of the earth which moon faces is night. So there are many phases of moon. If the moon rotation came here, this side will face the half moon, this side will face the half moon, this side will face the quarter moon, and this side will face the full moon.
Show it the different position for moon.
Yeah, this is the half moon from here. This is the quarter moon, and from here, this will be causing a lunar eclipse. And
What does it mean, lunar eclipse?
lunar eclipse when the moon comes between the earth and the sun. And solar.
So Insha, what you have made today?
So it's called fermentation. Our main objective is to find what is fermentation.
What is this and how does it work?
So first we have taken a spatula, and then we have added one spatula of sugar and 2 to 3 spatula of yeast. And then when we mix the yeast in the sugar solution, the watercolor turns into brown. And then after we have put the balloon to the head of the capsule, and now we have seen that the balloon grows.
तो दोस्तों आज का ये सेशन हमारा खत्म हो गया है। सब लोगों ने काफी एंजॉय किया और लड़कियां फोटो खिंचवाने के लिए यहाँ पे एक स्टेज पे आ गई है। तो मजा आया आप सब लोगों को?